Computer vision services in Microsoft Azure. We have these 4 computer vision services in Microsoft Azure as Azure AI Vision, Azure AI Custom Vision, Azure AI Face, and Azure AI Document Intelligence. The first is Azure AI Vision. We can use this service to analyze images, videos, and extract description. Second is Azure AI Customization. We can use this service to train custom image classification and object detection models using our own images. In Azure AI Face, this service enables us to build face detection and facial recognition solutions. And our next service is Azure AI Document Intelligence. We can use this to extract information from scanned forms and documents. Now NLP. Natural language processing has 2 parts: NLU and NLG. NLU is natural language understanding. It reads, or we can say interpret, the text which is given to model, and NLG is natural language generation. It writes or generates the text for output, so NLP is being by these 2, NLU and NLG. Natural language processing in Microsoft Azure. We have 4 services in Microsoft Azure. First is Azure AI Language. We use this service to access features for understanding and analyzing text and to train language models. Second is Azure AI Translator. We use this service for translating one language to another language. Third is Azure AI Speech. It is used to recognize and synthesize speech and to translate spoken languages. The fourth is Azure AI Bot Service. It provides a platform for conversational AI, the capability of software agent to participate in conversation which gives us feel like we are talking with a human. Challenges and risks with AI. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can be used to greatly benefit the world. However, like any tool, it must be used responsibly. As we know that everything has 2 sides, advantageous and dangerous, so AI can also be harmful for us. So first risk is that bias can affect results. Means, for example, if any loan approval model is biasing by gender or age, so it is because of biased data by which it was trained. That's why we should never give biased data to train the model. Second is errors may cause harm. For example, in automatic cars, if any error occurs, so it can be harmful for the humanity or people's life. Next is data could be exposed. For example, medical diagnosis system uses sensitive data of patients which should not be revealed to any other person. It should be private. So that's it for this video. I hope you got some knowledge from it. So like the video and subscribe the channel.